Welcome back to our channel. If you are a JavaScript developer, you know that arrays are the essential part of the language, allowing us to store and manipulate collections of data. But have you ever wondered how to randomly select an element from an array in JavaScript? Well, you are in luck. In this video, we'll dive into the world of JavaScript arrays and learn how to retrieve a random element from an array using a simple technique. So now, without wasting any time, let's quickly jump into our code editor. So as you can see here, we have our array in which we have stored our values that we are going to randomly select. So let's get started. First, we have to create a function, let's say as function random, choose random, let's say choose random. And inside this function, we are going to create a variable called random. And now what we are going to do is we are going to use two math functions. One is math.floor, in which we are going to again use another function called as math.random, which will generate a random number. And now if I do this, now for now let me just remove this math.floor function so we can see the working of math.random number. Okay, let me console this out. Console.log random function, choose random. Let me format the document. Now as you can see here, we are getting the values with float points. So how we are going to fix this is by using math.flow. But you have to remember one thing, that this value is not going to be bigger than 0. So if I say math.floor, I put this math.random function inside this floor method. So as you can see here, we are again and again getting the value of 0. So how we are going to fix this is we have to multiply this random number with a value that we wanted to get our random value between. So if I multiply math.random with 100, we are going to achieve our results between 100. It will not going to cross 100, but will give us the results between 100 and 0. If I multiply this with 10, we are not going to go above 10, as you can see here. So now we are going to use this function inside our array. So let's say for this one, we are going to multiply our math.random number with names, which is our array, names.length. So now what we are doing here is we are getting, as you can see here, our array's length is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are going to get the number between 0 and 7. This is what we are doing here. So if we check this now, we are not going to cross 7. Now we are going to provide this into our array function, array variable. If I do names and now array, now this whole thing will apply to our names variable, which is our array. So now as you can see here, we are getting the random array values. So this is how you can choose a random value from an array using this simple JavaScript function. I hope you liked the video. If you liked our video, then make sure to subscribe our channel, and I'm going to meet you in the next video. Peace out.